Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is kith and kin. This is one of the very familiar idioms which are used in English. Friends and relatives. इसको हम उर्दू में दोस्त व अकारिब, वहाँ पे ये हम idiom use कर सकते हैं. So how we are going to use it in sentences like I was delighted to find all my kith and kin waiting for me at the airport to welcome me home. So we have used here kith and kin. Here is another situation of sentences. You can refer to your friends and family as your kith and kin. यानी आप अपनी family और friends को kith and kin कह सकते हैं. So we have used here this idiomatic expression into the sentences or situations kith and kin.